So what you can also do is ask Microsoft Copilot to give you links as well. So for example, I'm going to go around and say, give me 10 links of different types of fruits from Pixabay right here, just like this. So Pixabay is a website where you can get free images, and now I'm asking it to give me 10 links right here. So now you can see that this is what you have right here. So you can see that it is giving me links right here, and as I were to go around and click right here, it opens up that page, and you can see that it gives me the links right here, just like this. So now if I were to go around and click on this link right here, just like this, then you can see that I get another link right here, just like this. So it simply generated a search query right here, just like this, and then I'm able to access out that link. So now I'm going to go around and say, now give me the link from pixels right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and press enter, then what happens is that it'll search out for pixels right here, just like this, and then similarly I can go around and access out the links. So now if I were to go around and click right here, then what happens is that it opens up pixels now, as you can see right here, and then gives me the link to all of these particular fruit images right here, just like this. So now I can say, give me a link to an article about fruits in Wikipedia right here, just like this. So once I go around and do that right here, then what happens is that it searches out for the content right here, just like this right here, and then it gives me the link right here. So you can see that this is what you have. So there's Wikipedia article on fruits right here, and then you can see that it gives me the link right here. And that is how you can ask Microsoft Copilot to directly give you links inside inside like this. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.